Hello everybody, it's Jeff at Lodders Marine. Today I'm going to show you this pre-owned 2018 NauticStar 211 angler featuring a platinum hull side and white hull bottom. Now she does come complete with a tandem axle Phoenix aluminum trailer with custom wheels, matching spare swing tongue with disc brakes, Bimini top, powered by our 115 horse Yamaha 4-stroke with a stainless steel prop. Boat is in very, very clean and great condition. There's our 3-step boarding ladder. We'll give you a walk around, then we'll go inside and check our interior features. Again, this is a 2018 NauticStar 211 angler, very, very low hours. We'll climb aboard. You see we got our ski tow bar, and then our aft seats here do fold down. I'm showing you an example here how you've got a backrest and then they fold down for a casting platform. There's our helm chair that does have a flip backrest on it, so you can sit forward or aft. Cooler. Does come complete with 2 fishing chairs with pedestals. Stainless steel steering wheel. Rod holders on each side, port side and starboard. Infinity sound system. Simrad Go 7 GPS Chartplotter. There's some more rod holders. Livewell. Livewell will sit up here. All of our bait boxes and compartments are insulated. This is a wood-free construction. Designated anchor storage with anchor. Our MinnKota 70-pound thrust troll motor. Flip backrest. So on our bow seating, we just simply pull this out and you've got a backrest for your passengers. Again, a 2018 pre-owned, very low hours NauticStar 211 angler. If you have any questions, please give us a call. 513-874-6333. Check us out on our website at loddersmarine.com. There you'll find all of our new and pre-owned inventory. We are located at 6151 Dixie Highway in Fairfield. We have a very large 50-boat indoor showroom. We're located about 2 miles north on Route 4, just north of I-275. Love to hear from you.